Okay, here is optimizing, and if you already choose optional optimizing softwares, you will have a USB like this, and you put it into here, and then you can open this optimizing programs. You can see here is Old Chinese. We can change the language to English. Now it comes to English. And if we want to create some files, for example, we want to cut 3 pieces of panels. For example, length 2000 millimeters and the width 400. Quantity 1 piece, and for example we want 600 length, 400 width, and 2 pieces. And we also want 2100 millimeter, 50 millimeter width, 1 pieces. And you can create a name for the material. For example, this is the body of the cabinet. This is the cabinet door. This is a frame. You can create the name here. After you already do this, we can also send it to the automatic cutting interface. And you can see from here the optimized cutting, the difference with the automatic cutting and the built-in automatic cutting. And you can see from here the optimized cutting compared to the built-in programming is on the built-in programming we have to know the how we cut on the length or on the width, and you have to calculate all in your mind. But for the optimized cutting, no need to think about anything. You just type in the length and width of the material and how many quantities you want, and the program will do a calculation by itself. And even you make a cutting that 1 piece of panel is not enough to cut all the materials, the program will automatically program it to the second panels. Okay, here, and also we can choose the textures, and if we choose textures here, that means if our wood got some greens, and the greens will be parallel with the length, and we don't the greens that is across panels. It's not same with our designs. We want all the greens parallel with the length. Then you can choose this texture. And after this finish, we can press here to make optimize programming. Then this is similar to the previous built-in programs. We just send this file to processing. Then it will come to here. And then we press this button for cutting. if the material got 2 pieces or even 3 pieces or 10 pieces, after this finish, it will automatically turn to another piece. Okay, we'll come back again. For example, and after our programming, we make a layout. Also, we can save this cutting. You can create a name here and then save it. Then you can save it on the computer, and later when you cut the same, you can open it directly. Okay, we already make a cutting, and we can see we save it on the first interface of the computer, the desk. We can open it here, and you can see it can be opened from here.